Hello all, welcome to Cosmic Structures YouTube channel. Have you ever wondered if space is infinite? Why don't we just build massive cities out there? Why can't we construct in space the same way we do it on the Earth? The truth is, everything we take for granted on Earth, like gravity, air, and materials, completely disappears in space. And that changes everything. On Earth, construction is easy, relatively speaking. Gravity holds structures down and keep everything stable. The atmosphere gives us pressure, oxygen, and supports construction processes. And most importantly, materials are everywhere. But in space, there is no gravity to hold things in place. No air, only vacuum. And every single material has to be launched from Earth or mined in space. So, what feels like natural on Earth becomes incredibly complex in space. There are five fundamental constraints. Let us discuss. The first one is the absence of gravity. That is, structures don't settle if there is no gravitational force. Forces behave differently, and stability becomes a design challenge. The second comes the vacuum environment. You need fully sealed, pressurized environment just to survive. Third, the resource scarcity. Every kilogram is expensive. So we either transport materials or learn to use what's already there. That is called ISRU, In-Situ Resource Utilization. And the fourth comes the thermal extreme temperatures. From minus 150 degrees Celsius to plus 180 degrees Celsius, materials expand, contract, and degrade. And finally, the constant radiation. Constant exposure to cosmic particles means we need heavy shielding, which adds even more complexity. So, building in space isn't just difficult, it is a completely different game. So, what to do next? So, we have to see the engineering realities. So, how do we actually build in space today? We mainly use something called in space assembly, like the International Space Station. We launch parts from Earth and assemble them in the orbit. It works, but it is limited by rocket size and cost. The future lies in space manufacturing. Imagine building structures directly in the space using 3D printing and local materials. It's scalable, efficient, but still a major engineering challenge we are trying to solve. So, what to do next? The future strongly depends on the space construction, that is, using advanced robotics, new materials, and completely rethinking how we design structures for space. Because we are not just building in space, we are learning how to live there. And those who solve this challenge will shape the future of humanity. If you're curious about space architecture, futuristic habitats, and real engineering challenges, please follow this channel. This is just the beginning. Thank you.